back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to stitch this beautiful trendy top, which has a see-through cloth on the top, on the bottom as well, and also have stitched the lace and front, back and sides as well. So this is really very beautiful, like a trendy top. I really like it very much, and I have two things to share with you. That when I was cutting this dress, I have taken 29.5 inches, but later I have decreased 4 inches. So you have seen me in the video, the size which I am wearing, I have decreased 4 inches. If you want that much size, you have to decrease 4 inches, but if you want the lengthy top, you can keep it 29.5 inches. So that is the first thing. Second thing, I have cut in the middle, we can see it, but you need not to cut for the front, just you have to cut it for the back, because you have to attach the lace. That's why you have to cut for the back, not for the front. So that's it. So let's get started. Here I am taking 24 inches length, but if you want the top up to a thighs, you have to decrease a 4 inches. And later I am going to add a 5 inches of see-through cloth. So the total length will be 25 inches. And now I am taking shoulder measurement 7.5 inches. And I am taking 6.5 inches armhole measurement. And I am taking quarter chest round measurement 10 inches, including all seam allowances. Join the points and mark a armhole using French curve scale. And for the neck, I have taken 4 inches width, 4.5 inches length for the front, and also I have marked a half inch shoulder slope. Make a mark on the armhole 3.5 inches, and also make a mark below the neck 3.5 inches. Then join these 2 points. Then cut it. And here I am randomly cutting the back neck. Take the body strip and make a mark on the middle and cut it. Place these pieces on the cloth, then cut it. And here you have to cut the front and the back separately, because we don't need a slit in the middle of the front, and we need it on the back side because we are going to attach the lace on it. This is how you can increase the width of the bodies so that we can make a gathers. and cut 6 inches length cloth for attaching bottom, and we need 2 pieces of this. And then cut the neck pieces. I hope you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So see you soon in my next video part 2. Till then, bye bye.